It is Wednesday, March 21st, 2018. It is the third day of spring. Yeah, I left the state of Maine, figuring I left this shit behind me. Here it is, Bristol, Pennsylvania. This is our fourth NorEaster this month alone. I just got done shoveling out 4 of my neighbors and myself. They're all at work, and I don't want them to have to come home and have to shovel just to park their vehicles. So be a good neighbor. Bob Grant is here. No, anyway, so we're gonna take a walk up here just to the corner. There's a train bridge, and we're just gonna look and see if any trains are running in this slop. See if we can't get some video of them. Probably ain't gonna stay here too long. It is a little cold on the face. This here is, tell my kids be careful walking through this, because you know, you walk through here, nobody can see you. This is a dangerous place right here. You could get mugged, raped, assaulted. Who's gonna see you? You've got 7-foot high walls on both sides. There's the train tracks. That's the train tracks coming from Trenton, New Jersey, heading towards, well, Philadelphia is behind us. Trenton is the way the camera's facing. I don't see any trains coming. Just something different today, instead of the same old grind of working and recording the jobs that we do. I think we're looking at something different here. I'm gonna hang tight a minute. We're at about 5 minutes, 6 minutes here on the video right now. I'm gonna pause it, see if a train comes in the next few minutes, and I'll turn it back on again. Plus I want to clean the lens so you don't have all these snowdrops all over it. You gotta be fucking kidding me. You fucking kidding me with this shit? I just got off the phone with SEPTA to see if they were actually going to be still running today. They're running on the Saturday schedule, so it's about 1:57 right now, so we got about 3 minutes to go. You should be able to see the train right now. There you have it, SEPTA train on its way to Philadelphia, running on schedule, even in a blizzard. So, you have a good day, subscribe, like, and share with your friends. Let everybody see somebody's actually driving a motorcycle in a friggin' snowstorm. What a flippin' idiot.